The recipe that you've all been asking for.
Oh, wow. Sandwich Dad here. Let's try it.
Okay, here we go. Dan Roberts' Bacon Jamwich. First, let's cut up 4 pieces of our old-fashioned bacon, put them in a pan, and get them frying. Long-time enjoyer of bacon jam, first-time maker. Once the bacon's crispy, get some onions in that bacon fat, a little bit of garlic, put the bacon back in, some brown sugar, some pure maple syrup, and a bit of espresso. And then we're going to keep on stirring till it's sticky and jammy. As you may imagine, the smell right now is fairly incredible. Getting to this nice consistency here, let's put it aside. Now to make our sandwich. Couple of pieces of white sandwich bread into a buttered pan. Spread our bacon jam on there. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Put the toque on. Spread some butter on the top. Little water to get things steamy. Keep a lid on things. Flip. Recenter. Put on sandwich board and admire. Cut diagonally and reveal. My goodness. That's a thing of beauty. Can't wait to try it. Here we go. Taste test. Probably should have waited. It was a bit hot, but my goodness. 7 out of 5 easy chairs. Dan, thank you so much for the recipe. This is Sandwich Dad. Good day.